makes you think it's so important to convince everyone else that you're not boring. But it's making me feel like my skin is crawling. I keep pouring out my empathy to someone I don't even see eye to eye with. I don't mind if you don't have it all together. Yeah, I get it, we're all human. But I give you an inch and you take miles. It's tragic, ruining my sanity with tales of animosity. I'd rather I cry than let you drive me crazy, lose my mind. And I swear I might die if I cared more, but you're not worth the time. You never put me up front 'cause it's your spot, like I'm in the backseat of my own car. I'd rather I cry than let you drive me crazy one more night. Climbing up somebody else's ladder just to make yourself feel just a little bit